Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and structuring your data so the pivot can work reliably. Make sure headers are unique and there are no subtotals, then convert the range to a table with Control plus T so it auto-expands. Once done, select a cell in the table, go to Insert and choose Pivot Table. Pick a new worksheet or an existing location and click OK. This creates the blank pivot canvas, which is your working area, and prepares the field list for the next steps. Now you assemble the pivot. Drag descriptive fields like product or date into rows to group, and category fields into columns to cross-tabulate. Then drag numeric fields into values. Excel defaults to sum or count, so open value field settings to switch to average, max, or custom calculations when needed. Once done, add a filter or insert a slicer for interactive filtering. This keeps the view clear and lets you slice by region, date, or category quickly. Make sure to refresh if source data changes. Finish by formatting and validating your insights. Set number formats, choose compact or tabular layout, and toggle subtotals and grand totals for clarity. Use pivot table analyze to group dates, create calculated fields, or show values as percentages of row or column totals for comparison. If results look off, stop and check the source table for blank headers, merged cells, or duplicate field names. Correct the data and click refresh. Finally,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.